This one onion turns into a crispy, blooming flower that looks straight out of a five-star restaurant. It's called a blooming onion because once it's fried, every petal fans out just like a flower. Tip 1. Grab a sharp knife, a cutting board, and a flat lid like a jar lid. Pick the biggest, roundest onion you can find. The bigger it is, the more petals you get. Tip 2. Peel off the outer skin, then slice the top flat, but keep the root end in one piece. That's what holds it all together. Set the onion on top of that lid and cut straight down into wedges, about 12 to 16 cuts. The lid stops your knife, so you never slice all the way through. Gently pull the wedges apart with your fingers until the whole thing opens up like a blooming flower. Have you ever tried the lid trick before? Let me know in the comments. Tip 3. Fill a big bowl with ice and cold water, then drop the onion in and let it soak for at least 2 hours. This is the secret step. The ice water makes the petals open up wider, softens the sharp onion bite, and makes it extra crisp. Tip 4. In a shallow dish, whisk together 100 grams of flour, black pepper to taste, a quarter teaspoon of sweet paprika, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. That's your dry coating. Tip 5. In another bowl, crack 1 egg, pour in 50 milliliters of milk, that's about a quarter cup, and whisk it all together. Once it's done soaking, flip it upside down and shake off the extra water. Tip 6. Set the onion in the dry mix first. Use a spoon to sprinkle flour deep into every single petal. Move it to the egg mixture next and pour it all over, so every single petal gets coated. Let the extra egg drip off. Last step, roll it in breadcrumbs and gently separate the petals again so the crumbs get all the way inside. Before we air fry this, guess how many minutes you think it needs to turn perfectly golden. Drop your guess below. Tip 7. Spray a little oil in the air fryer basket. Place the onion inside, then spray the top and every petal generously. Air fry at 285 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 140 Celsius, for 30 minutes. Halfway through, take a peek. It should already be turning golden brown and smelling incredible. While that's cooking, let's make the dip. Mix mayonnaise, sour cream or Greek yogurt, ketchup, garlic powder, paprika, and finely chopped chives. Add a pinch of salt to taste and stir until it's smooth and creamy. Feel free to swap in ranch dressing instead. It works just as well with this crispy onion. And there it is, golden, crispy, and blooming just like a flower. Pull off a petal, dip it in that creamy sauce, and take a bite while it's still hot. Crispy on the outside, soft and sweet on the inside, and every bite has that tangy, creamy dip. Serve it whole in the middle of the table so everyone can just pull off their own petal. This might be the easiest party appetizer you'll ever make. If you try it, tag me. I'd love to see it. Save this recipe now so you have it ready for your next get-together. Kids love pulling the petals off too, so this is a fun one to make together. Follow for more air fryer tricks like this one. See you in the next video.